USB-C not working, charging or recognized by Windows 11 or Windows 10. Hello everyone, and let's get started. A USB Type-C or USB-C connection is primarily used to connect mobile phones and charge your Windows 11 or 10 PC. However, some incompatibility in hardware-software combination can upset the connection. In such cases, notification on your Windows PC screen can help us pinpoint the problem and fix it. Usually, the USB-C notification that we receive is use different USB port or used USB charger connected, slow charge connection, PC not charging, and such other. In such cases, one of the solutions would be checking for the updates. When you have installed the latest Windows update on your device, these problems can be solved. If not, here are few solutions that can be applied. The first one is check for unknown devices. For that, what you can do is search for the device manager, and once that is open, you have to search for other devices. If you cannot find it, click on View and then on Show Hidden Devices. After that, click on the drop-down menu of Other Devices, and if you find the unknown device by checking for yellow exclamation mark against the symbol of the device, select the device and choose its properties, and then check the status displayed under device status. For example, this case the device is working properly. But in some devices, you might find the error code as well. Similarly, the second solution would be check charging status. Another likely reason for not working could be insufficient PC charging. It may occur because of charger not compatible, charger not powerful enough, and charger cable does not meet the power requirements. To fix this, always use the charger and cable included with your PC and make sure you are connecting your charger to the USB-C charging port on your PC. Similarly, if you receive a message saying the connected device needs more power, then some solutions can be connect laptop to power in case of low battery, as the power plan could be limiting on the USB ports. Disconnect any additional or less important devices so the power can be diverted to rest. And also unsupported device can be removed. Similarly, other best solution would be run the hardware and device troubleshoot. For that, you can search for troubleshoot settings and then search for other troubleshooters, under which you have to go for hardware and device troubleshooters. This way also you can detect the problem that is causing the error and the solution could be found out. So this was some of the solutions that you can try, and for more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.